Hey all, this is Astha and in my series of company overviews and is this worth to join that company, I am here with again a very informative video. In this video we're going to discuss about HCL Company. I'm going to share about the HCL Company overview, their introduction, their history, their revenues, their employees, all the relevant facts that you should know before going for interview with HCL Company and before joining. Okay, after watching this video, you will be in the condition to decide whether is this worth to join HCL or not. Previously also I have shared an Accenture details, Infosys details, Cognizant details and many more companies. Their company overview and whether they are worth to join or not as a fresher I have already shared in that series. Please do watch that series. First we'll see about HCL introduction. HCL Technologies is an Indian multinational information technology services and consulting company. This company headquartered in Noida, UP, India. It is a subsidiary of HCL Enterprise, originally a research and development division of HCL. It emerged as an independent company in 1991 when HCL entered into software services business. Formerly HCL known as Hindustan Computers Limited, founded on 11 August 1976, 44 years ago. This company is 44 years old company guys and the founder is Shiv Nadar. Area served worldwide, headquartered in Noida, UP, India. Now we'll see about the key people of HCL. Chairperson is Roshni Nadar Malhotra, MD and CSO is Shiv Nadar, CEO is C. Vijay Kumar. This company provides services in software development, outsourcing, consulting and managed services. If we'll talk about revenue, they increases rupees 76,306 crore by 2021, that is the US $11 billion. Number of employees in this company is 1,68,977 by 2021 and the parent company is the HCL Group. Website is www.hcltech.com. HCL Technologies is on the Forbes Global 2000 list. It is among the top 20 largest publicly traded companies in India. HCL Technologies formation and early years if we'll see, in 1976 a group of 6 engineers, all former employees of Delhi Cloth and General Mills, led by Shiv Nadar, started a company that would make personal computers. Initially floated as Microcom Limited, Nadar and his team, which is also includes Arjun Malhotra, Ajay Chaudhary, D.S. Puri, Yogesh Vaidya and Subhash Arora, started selling tele-digital calculators to gather capital for their main product. On 11 August 1976, the company was renamed as Hindustan Computers Limited. On 12 November 1991, a company called HCL Overseas Limited was incorporated as a provider of technology deployment services. In July 1994, the company name was changed to HCL Consulting Limited and eventually to HCL Technologies Limited in October 1999. If we'll talk about company expansion, in 2002, it acquired Gulf Computers. In March 2021, HCL Technologies expanded partnership with Google Cloud to bring HCL Software's digital experience DX and Unica Marketing cloud native platforms to Google Cloud. This is a really achievement guys. HCL Technologies operates in 45 countries including its headquarters in Noida, India, including United Kingdom, United States, France and Germany, with a worldwide network of R&D, innovation labs and delivery centers. Its customers include 250 of the Fortune 500 and 650 of the Global 2000 companies. This is again an achievement, you should note it. This company, HCL Technologies, operates across sectors including aerospace and defense, automotive banking, capital markets, chemicals and process industries, energies and utilities, healthcare, high-tech industrial manufacturing, consumer goods, insurance, life science, manufacturing, media and entertainment, mining and natural resources, oil and gas, retail, telecom and travel, transportation, logistics, and hospitality. So guys, they really operate along all the sectors, across all sectors. So you will be able to get so many opportunities in this company. So guys, this is the first part of HCL. I hope you'll get all the basic information, relevant information about the HCL company. Now in my second part of this series, HCL company overview, I'm going to give you all the possible recruitment process of HCL company, how you can apply for their job opportunity, how you can crack their jobs. Along with that, I'm going to give you pros and cons of joining HCL company and their reviews and ratings and their views of all their ex-employees and their current market value. I'm going to give you all details about the HCL in my next part. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel for all such informative videos related to the MNC companies, software companies. And if you have want to know more about the Accenture, Infosys, Cognizant, TCS, I have already shared company overview and all the details about all those companies in the playlist of company overviews. And is this worth to join that company as fresher? So if you're a fresher, go and do watch all those videos. That will really help you out to decide which company you want to join. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you want to know whether HCL is worth joining or not. We'll meet in next video with a new informative and company overview details. Along with that, I used to share all the latest job opportunities, their interview question and answers, how you can crack their off-campus drives, all MNC software companies and their actually asked interview questions. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are looking for a job or job change. Thank you.